Now we can discuss our page number 58, Ramu's vegetable field. Ramu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. How many are there? 9 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what vegetables does he grow? Here we can see chili, potato, brinjal, then tomato, then spinach. Okay, now the questions are related with this field. So here we can see this is 109, again it is 109, 109, 109, 109, 109, again 109, 109 and 109. So how many are there? Total 9 are there. Okay, so which vegetable grows in the biggest part of this field? What part? So we can see 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are filled with a tomato. Okay, so the question is what part? So here we can see 109. 1, 2, 3. 3 are there. So we can see here it is tomato. And the part is 3 on 9. Okay. Actually, this 3 on 9 is equal to 1 on 3. Okay. 1 on 3. We can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So, we can say this is 1 on 3. That means if it is 3 parts, we will get 1 completely with this tomato. But here we can say that here it is 3 on 9. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are filled with tomato. Next question. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes? So here we can say 1, 2. So 2 are there. So we can say that 2 on 9. Next. What part of the field is used to grow spinach? What part is used for brinjals? So spinach only 1 is there. So we can say that for this spinach the part is 1 on 9. Total 9 are there. Among this one field is filled with spinach. And the next one is related with brinjal. So 1, 2. 2 fields are filled with brinjal. So we can say that is 2 on 9. Next, now you write some questions by looking at this picture. So we can say that what part is used for green chili? So we can say like that way. Green chili. Here it is 1 on 9. Okay. So which part is more? Which vegetable contains more? We can say that is tomato. Okay. Now next page. Ramu wanted to give this vegetable to his friends. He gave Abubakar 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. Srija got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. Circle Abubakar's share in blue circle. Srija's share in yellow. That is, here we can see potatoes and tomatoes. We have to divide these two vegetables to some persons. So, how can we do that? Here, the clues are Ramu wanted to give this vegetable to his friends. So, how many are there? That is, how many potatoes are there? So, now we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 potatoes are there. Okay. What about the tomato? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 are here. Okay. So, among these, 1/5 of these tomatoes for Abubakar. Okay, so we can find out that for Abubakar's tomato, Abubakar need 1/5 of 1/5 of 20. Okay, here it is 20 of is actually multiplication. Now we can do something, that is, here it is 20. Okay, 20 are there. Now we have to divide this into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So here 1/5 is for this Abu Bakr. If this is 20, we have studied that. How can we find out the position? Here it is 4. 4 plus 4, 8, then 12, then 16, then 20. So we can say this Abu Bakr will get 4 tomatoes. Okay. Then what about the potato? Here we can say that 1/3 of the potatoes. 1/3, that is, here we can see 18 potatoes. So this one we have to divide into 1/3. That means here we have to divide into 3 equal parts. 1, 2 and 3. Actually 18 divided by 3. 6 will be there. Then next will be 12. Next will be 18. So here it is the 1/3. So we can say 6 potatoes for this Abu Bakr. 6 potatoes. Okay. Next question is, Srija got 2/5 of the tomatoes. So we have to divide this one into 5 itself. But here it is, we already completed for this Abu Bakr. That is 1/5 is 4. 2/5 will be, that means here will be 8. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So we can say that is 1 on 5. Here will be 2 on 5. So 2 on 5 will be 8. So we can say Srija got 8 tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. So we have to divide this into, these potatoes we have to divide into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now here it is 1, 6, 1 on 6. Then it is 2, 6. Then next one is 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6 and 6 upon 6. That means completely. Completely will be 18. So here will be, the denominator is 6. 18 divided by 6 will be 3. Next also 6 will be there. Then 9, then 12, then 15, then 18. Okay. So she needs to get 3/6 of the potatoes. 3/6. Here it is 3/6. 3/6 will be 9 potatoes. So Srija will get 9 potatoes and 8 tomatoes. Okay. Then Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. Nancy got the rest of these vegetables. So Nancy, total how many are there, children? Total 20 potatoes are there. Among these, we gave Abu Bakr for 4 tomatoes. So remaining will be 16. From this remaining, our Srija got 8. Okay, 2/5. So 8, she got 8. So 8 will be remaining. So this remaining 8 tomatoes for our Nancy. Okay, then what about these potatoes? Total we can say 18 potatoes are there. Among this potato, Abu Bakr got 6. Okay, Abu Bakr got 6. So 6 for Abu Bakr. Remaining will be 12. Then what about this Srija's potatoes? That is 9. So from this 9, Srija got 9 potatoes. So 12 minus 9, that is 3. So this 3 for our Nancy. That means 8 tomatoes and 3 potatoes for Nancy. So this way we have to do these questions. Here the question is, what part of each shape is colored? here we can say this part is colored. So here also that same will be there. Okay. So this same size we can draw here. Clear? So again we can do here. So we can say that is 1 by 6. Okay, here it is colored 1 on 6. So that means with the same size, we can keep this type of same size. 6 are there. To fill this big rectangle, we have to keep here this type of 6 portions. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way we can do this. So here we can think about 1/6 of this rectangle is colored. Then what about here? Here there is a trick. Okay, here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are equal in length. 8 sides are equal in length. Okay, so we can say that here this is, here we can draw one more, here one more, here one more, then one more, then one more. Okay, same will be there. 1. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we can say that here it is colored 1/8. That means 1/8 of this shape is colored. Okay. What about this third question? Here we can draw 1, 2. Okay. That is, here we can draw. So here also we can draw. Okay. So here it is like that way. Total 9 are there. So 1, 2. 2 are colored. So we can say 2 on 9. What about here? Here we have to divide. Here it is big one. So actually we can divide this one into half. Okay. Now these 4 pieces are same in size. Okay. So here we can draw. Here also. We can make boxes like this one. So how many are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 are there. Among these 15 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are colored. Okay. So here it is related for the 4th standards book. So do you remember this picture? Look at the small triangle. What part of the square is it? How will you find this out? Actually, we have to divide this into squares. So we can extend this length up to here. Okay. Okay. Clear? So we got one square here. Again, we have to join here. Okay, children. Now we can do this one also we can join. So we are getting the squares properly. Okay. Now we can extend. Here it is triangle. Now we can extend this one. Here we got it. Here it also. Here it is already there. Here also already. So now we can do this one. We have to make this one triangle. Okay. Clear? So here also one more is there. We can draw. I think we got many triangles. Okay. Now how many are there? Here we shaded one triangle with this red color. So how many are there total? How can we write this one? So now we can count this number of triangles. I counted this one, so I got 16. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Avoid this small one. Okay, small line. So 8 are 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, then next 13, 14, 15 and 16. So I got 16 triangles. Among this we have shaded only one box. Okay, so we can write this one part as 1 on 16. Then, so we have to make this. Why we have completed like this way? Because we have to get all triangles as same size. Okay. The next question is colored parts. Actually, we can fill this one. Complete this. This circle is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of here, 2 are there. Out of dash equal parts, one part is colored blue. So we can say 1 on 2 because 2 parts are there. Among these, one is colored with blue. Here, how many are there? Here, the circle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, 2 parts are colored blue. So we can say that here it is 4 are there. Then among these 4, 2 are colored. So this is the fractional part. So here these two we can do as a homework. Okay. So count it, how many are there. Total will be the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. Among these 3 are colored. Okay. This one count it and do yourself. So we can say that 1 on 2 will be equal to, here we got it as 4 now. So 2 on 4. So if it is 6, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So 1 times 3 will be 3 will be there. Next 2 became 8. First it was 2 now. Now it became 8. So we can say 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So 1 times 4 will be 4. Equivalent fraction. Okay children. Now cutting the halwa. Ramesh bought a piece of halwa for his children Ammu and Anu. How many are there? 2 children are there. 1 halwa. He divided it equally for them. So each will get half of this. Okay. So equally he divided equally for these 2 children. 1 halwa was there. 1 halwa divided into 2 equal parts. So each of them will get 1 piece among these 2 pieces. So 1 for Ammu and 1 for Anu. Next, this piece is too big. We can't eat it. Oh, how can they have it? So they said. So he divided these pieces into half again. Again he cut that. So now we have 2 pieces. So again he cut into half and half. So now we can say 4 pieces are there. Among these 4 pieces, Anu will get 2 and Ammu will get 2 pieces. That is 2 on 4 will be there. What part of the halwa is it? So we can say that half of this part now. Half part will be there. That is 2 on 4 will be equal to half. Here also half will be there. That is 2 on 4. That means actually this is half part. Okay. Then make it even smaller. Dad, they said, asked that. That means they have to get it again small. So he again cut the halwa into smaller pieces. Okay. So now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. So they will get 4 pieces. Okay. Both of them will get 4 small pieces. Is it clear for you? How many pieces will each get? So we got it as 4 on 8. Now what part of the halwa is each piece now? So we can say that each piece, that means total 8 are there. Among these 1 piece is there, no? So what part of the halwa is each piece now? So total 8 are there. 8 pieces are there. They will get 4 pieces. Okay. Then if Ramesh had cut the halwa into 6 equal parts, how many pieces would have got? Look at your answers for questions 1 to 4 and then write. That means here we have to do this equivalent fractions. First it was 1 on 2. Now he divided into 4 equal parts. Then they will get 2 pieces. Then he needs to cut into 6. So among these 6, anyway half needed to get for each person. So half of 6 will be 3. If it was 8, we have to get it as 4. If it is 16, we have to get this one as 8. Okay. Like that way. Then if it is 24, we have to get this one as 12 and such way. Then now parts of the strip. Look at the picture. Write what part of the strip is each green piece. Write the part for a piece of each color. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strips are there. Then how many 1/4 will make a half? So here it is half, okay. That is, here this one, this color is completely, that is 1 on 1, okay. Didn't divide this color. But here it is, this one is half, okay. Here it is half. So this one divided into 4 equal parts. So we can say this is 1 on 4 and here it is 2 on 4. Then here it is 3 on 4 and here it is 4 on 4. Okay. Now what about here? Here this one divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. So this one will be 1 on 8. Here will be 2 on 8, 3 on 8 and so on. Okay. So when we reach up to this 2 on 4, that means 1, 2. 2 1 on 4 parts needed to make a half. Okay. Here it is half. To get this half, we have to complete 2 1 on 4. Okay. That is 1 on 4, 2 on 4. Clear. Now how many 8 parts needed? 4 8 parts needed. Okay. Then we will get half of this one. Here 2 on 8 is there. When we reach up to 2 on 8, we can say that we will get 1 on 4 part. If the denominator is greater, then the size of these pieces will be smaller. Okay. Clear, children? If we can cut this one again, then the denominator will be greater, but pieces will be smaller. So, if we get 2 pieces among these 8 pieces, we can say we got only quarter part. Okay. So, again we need to get one more quarter to get this half. So, we can say when we get 4 pieces among these 8 pieces, we can say we got half of this strip. Okay. We can do one homework related with these figures. So, this show 1/5 petals of a flower. Complete the flower by drawing other petals. So, here actually we needed 5 petals. But they drew only 1 petal. So, you have to draw remaining 4 petals. Here it is. The picture shows 1/3 of the blades of a fan. So, how many needed to be there? 3 blades needed to be there. But here we can see only 1. Complete the picture by drawing the other blades. So, here we have to draw the other blades. Okay. One we can draw here. Another one we can draw here. So, like that way you have to complete it. Here, half of the blades of another fan are shown here. Complete the picture by drawing the other half. Then how many blades have you drawn? So actually we have to draw 1 petal. Okay. So how many blades have you drawn? Only 1 more. Okay. Actually. So here rupees and paise. We know that 50 paises. How many 50 paises will be there? 1 rupee. That I think we have studied that in 4th standard or 3rd standard related with this paise. That is how many 50 paise. 50 plus 50 will be 100. We know that 100 paise will be 1 rupee. So we have to get 250 paise to make 1 rupee. Then is 50 paise half of 1 rupee? Yes, sir. So we know that we have to get 50 and 50. Then we will get 100. So that 100 will be 1 rupee. How many 25 paise needed? So we know that 25 is the half of 50. So we need 4. Double of 2 will be there. 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 25, 75. Then 75 plus 25, 100 paise. 100 paise will be 1 rupee. So 25 paise, we need 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 25 paise will be 1/4 part of 1 rupee. 20 paise. 20 we can say that 20. Then again 20 needed. Again 20. Again 20. Then how many needed? Total 5 20s needed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say 1/5. Okay. 1/5 will be there. 1 on 5 part of 1 rupee will be 20 paise. Then how many 10 paise? 10 paise 10 needed. That is 100 divided by 10 will be 10. Okay, so we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need 1 on 10. So clear for you? How many needed? That many will be the denominator. Clear? Number of coins will be the denominator.